The flood at the main roadside at the Damdama of Hazu constituency. আৰু এয়া বানপানী হৈছে ৰাস্তাত। ৰাস্তাটো বহুত দুৰ্বল অৱস্থা বৰ্তমান। ৰাস্তাটো খান্দি গৈছে। So hope that government must give the importance about that road. Damdama Satrakhali road, main road, Guwahati to Nalbari to Barbata road, and this is the place Damdama of Hazu constituency. The flood at the roadside. So hope that government will give the importance about that road. Government will give the importance